Hi, welcome to Industry 360. In this video, we are highlighting the first discussion we have with everyone. The objective of doing so is to make sure that all the points are addressed and conveyed from our end. The first discussion may be driven by you through a direct call, or sometimes driven by us on your request after you fill up an inquiry form or you keep us updated about your lookout journey. Well, the objective of the first call is knowing about you and your current and past profile with respect to your professional career. Here, we try to gather as much information as you provide with your comfort of sharing. In this call, we are more interested in you and your future aspirations. We can't be providing a generic approach to anyone without understanding the profession and the education background, as it would be commercializing education, which we don't promote. After having the discussion and knowing about you, we help you identify the optimized career path for your futuristic journey. We identify the gaps and provide you different ways to bridge those gaps if at all needed. Over this call, we are not trying to sell or brand ourselves. We are just highlighting the different approaches suited for your requirements. We try to help you understand the different phases of journey, importance, adopted methodology, prerequisites with set milestones and deadlines. We help you familiarize with data industry and make you feel comfortable for upskill or career transition. We are here assisting you, navigating the right path, fulfilling your dreams and achieving your goals, setting you up for the next action plan. We serve as information providers on your way to guided learning. We commit to send you an email consisting of important information that will help you kickstart the journey. With this, we also help you schedule a trial session at your preferred date and time. While we try explaining the details of the email and trial session, this video sets as a beginner, formal, introductory start for understanding each other and for better synchronization. Feel free to connect by ringing us on 9717264466, or you can mail us at hola@industry360.co.in.